If you're looking for a Swiss Army knife for your emergency kit, this multi-powered weather radio is a solid contender. It's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly versatile for its size. The standout feature is the 4-way power system. Whether you're charging it via USB before a trip, using the solar panel on a sunny day, or cranking the handle when things get dicey, you're never truly out of luck. It even takes AAA batteries as a backup. There are 3 main components to this unit. It picks up NOAA weather alerts reliably, which is exactly what you want during a storm. The AM/FM reception is also decent enough for catching the news or some music. The built-in flashlight is punchy, and the reading lamp is a nice touch if you're trying to navigate a dark tent or room. With a 2000 mAh capacity, it won't fully charge a modern smartphone multiple times, but it provides enough emergency juice to make a few critical calls. While the hand crank is more for emergencies than daily use, it's a bit of a workout. The peace of mind this gadget provides is well worth the space in your bag. It's an affordable, all-in-one insurance policy for camping trips or power outages. Highly recommended.